How about that T500 Mississippi? How about a T500 Mississippi 612 west coast of Canada breaking?
Man, conditions just kind of dropped down a whole leg of a bunch, but I believe it was 612. Today's your third courtesy. T500 down here in Mississippi is standing by.
Okay there, Curtis Lowe, we're waving at you, buddy. Waving at you, 612 Skip Junkie. 612 Skip Junkie, west coast of Canada with the wave.
Waving, man, show is, man. Now, 612 had a large E, and hope everything's going good for you this week, sir. Take care. Radio station sounding real good. Conditions aren't that great, but man, you're sounding good down there getting into my VA1 about 75 feet. Good evening time, sir. Curtis Lowe in Mississippi getting up.
All right there, Curtis Lowe, Mississippi, T500. 73s to you, buddy. You're blowing smoke up here, too. Thanks for the comeback. Enjoy the rest of your evening. We'll listen for you again. 612 Skip Junkie reading the mail.
10,612 Broadcasters Corporation, man. You got a real fine job down here, man. You talking out loud. You got your loudmouth switch on, I believe. 612, good evening time, sir. Curtis Lowe is standing by.
Take care, Curtis. We got you on the video gate, too. We definitely got you on the video gate, and we'll get her on the YouTube channel. Sounding good, my friend. 612 on the side. Cheers.
Southwestern corner of Mississippi, about 75 miles northeast of Baton Rouge, right?
That was a good contact. He's a good sounding station. Thanks for watching.